Growing up, I didn't see a lot of girls skateboard, and it wasn't until I was a teen my brother took up the sport, and I always would have to drive him to the skate park to watch him and other guys skate and do tricks on the weekends. It wasn't until that fateful summer my brother fractured his arm and resulted me doing all his chores until he regained his strength. It was at that time my strict dad banned us from skateboarding, but I digress. Now that I'm an adult and quarantined with endless hours of boredom, it was on my bucket list to learn how to skateboard, and this is how it went. David, show me. I'm in protective gear. So, yeah. Like this.
Okay, so what foot do you push off? Like,
I'm a right foot.
Right foot you push off?
No, but like my dominant side is right.
No, but like when you push off, like is this your lead foot or is this your lead foot?
I'm not sure.
Just hop on board, kind of see what you feel comfortable with. Is that comfortable for you?
I guess. I mean, I am on dominant on my right foot.
Try to push off now. Try to hop off the board like one foot, keep one foot on the board and keep another foot exactly. And then, yeah, exactly. There you go.
Ready?
Yeah. Does that feel comfortable to you?
I feel like it. I feel like my
Or is
right
the other side? Do you feel comfortable on this side?
Don't they say like when you snowboard, you like all the right dominant people like skate on their skate left?
Like when
basically?
I started skating, I thought I was goofy, and they said that oh my stance is like this, but in reality my stance is right here, like this. So that means I push off with my left foot.
I just saw you go with your left foot forward.
Exactly. This is regular. This is regular. When you're facing this way, you're regular. When you're facing the other way, it's goofy.
Okay. Alright.
So you're goofy apparently.
I
But
guess.
that's your comfortable side.
Let me see. Yeah, it feels weird. I don't have.
You don't like that side?
It feels really uncomfortable.
Okay.
Like I don't.
Then you're goofy then.
Yeah, like this is too weird.
Yeah. If you like it that way, then you're goofy.
So I'm really goofy.
And then you push off. Now, like, yeah, put one foot on the board, keep one foot
Where do
on
I
the board.
put on the foot right here?
Your back. So this is your lead foot, and this is your push off foot. There you go.
But then how do you switch your feet over to like this, like everybody else does?
Well, while you're in mid-ride, you're you shift, exactly. Good.
Okay.
You want to kind of keep your foot. I wouldn't put your lead foot so much. I kind of put mine like here between the bolts.
The bolt.
Yeah. And if you want to turn, we're not there yet, but exactly. Not so far, because then when you turn, yeah, exactly. So when you know, you put
Wait,
your
so
left.
my foot's supposed to be here then, right?
Yeah, I mean whatever's comfortable, exactly.
Okay, so stand on this side of it. Right?
Yeah. No, because you're facing this way. That's why. So I gotta hold you this way.
Right?
There you go. There you go.
Yeah. I'm almost running out of memory after I already bought memory.
Ready? There you go. And then hop off with the back foot, and then keep going. There you go. There you go.
Back. And then practice it. This is a new TikTok dance.
You put too much weight on it.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
There you
I
go.
did it!
There you go.
I did it!
There you go.
I did it!
There you
Alright.
go. You're comfortable now.
Not really. I wanted to go slow. Don't do that. Alright, let's try again, ready?
There you go. There you go.
Tony Hawk.
Okay.
You wanna take a shower?
There you go. There you go. See?
How do we turn?
I know it's saying it's harder, but you would want to put more weight here. See what I'm saying? But you're not there yet. You're not there yet.
Oh, look at me!
There you go. There you go. There you go. comfortable, right? You feel it, right? You feel comfortable.
I just need
Exactly.
to turn my foot over.
Yeah. So like once you get comfortable with that, then you can shift it there. That way you get more balance. That way you have more control of the bar.
Wow! Alright, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh! Oh, hell no. I'm not doing no dips. We're not there yet. Your phone's still recording. Woo! Ready and yeah, I'm doing it. Today with just elbow pads, and now I'm not Casey Neistat right now. Feeling like Casey Neistat right now. So you guys made it this far. You better like and subscribe. I'm looking at you. Anyways, I basically learned that I skate goofy, meaning I'm not the average person. I mean, that's basically my life. Anyways, which is basically my right foot is in the front of the board and then my left is at the tail of the board. So at first I wasn't sure if learning skateboarding at this time was a good idea because I was scared to break a limb during these times because the last thing I want to do is put more stress in the emergency room kind of thing. You get what I'm saying? So, but then I realized what kind of fear I would have if I have someone supporting me and I'm wearing protective gear. And that's when you guys saw a little glimmer of me overcoming my fear. And now I'm pretty confident, and I think I'll be the next Casey Neistat. So I'm just kidding. Anyways, thanks guys for watching my little adventure. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.